Someone just stumbled across a DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More Combo Plus box out in the wild. And no, this isn't some sketchy Photoshop render. We're talking about a legit sealed retail package, shrink wrap and all. The logos look spot on, the print quality matches DJI's real boxes, and even the multi-language labels are there. Quick thing before we go further, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the updates as soon as they drop. Now, let's dig in. This isn't the standard kit we're looking at, it's the Fly More Combo Plus. That means DJI is loading this bundle with the good stuff. Extra batteries, charging hub, spare props, and a bunch of useful add-ons. Basically, everything you'd want if you plan on staying in the air longer without worrying about running out of juice. And since it's the Plus version, the batteries inside aren't the regular ones. These are the larger Plus batteries. On the upside, they give you longer flight times. On the downside, they push the drone past the 249 gram mark, which in some countries means you'll have to register it and follow a few more regulations. Not a deal breaker, but definitely something to keep in mind. Now here's the wild part. In the corner of the box, it literally says 52 minutes times 3. That's 3 batteries, each claiming up to 52 minutes of flight time under test conditions. If that holds true in real-world flying, that's a nice bump compared to the Mini 4 Pro's 45 minutes with a Plus battery. Stack all 3 together and you're looking at well over 2.5 hours of total airtime. Pretty insane for something in the Mini lineup. The box also shows the DJI RC2 controller, the one with the built-in screen. Way more convenient than using the RCN2 since you don't have to deal with cables or drain your phone battery. DJI usually throws this controller into their Fly More kits, so it makes sense here too. And here's the kicker. If sealed boxes are already out there in the wild, it probably means DJI is already shipping units to retailers, which means an official launch can't be far away. Based on what trusted drone leakers have been hinting at, September 2025 is the big window to watch. Of course, a box can only tell us so much. We still don't know all the upgrades or changes coming with the Mini 5 Pro. But if this leak is the real deal, more details should start surfacing really soon. If you're curious about the other rumored upgrades floating around, I've already got a video covering that. I'll drop the link right here. That's it for this one. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.